Welcome. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to unmute an account on X step by step. Whether you accidentally muted someone or just changed your mind, don't worry, it's a simple process you can do in under a minute. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. That will open your main menu, where all your account options are located. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage nearly everything about your X experience, from account access to safety controls. Inside that menu, look for and select Privacy and Safety. Now, under Privacy and Safety, you'll find a section called Mute and Block. Go ahead and tap that. This is where X stores all of your muted and blocked accounts, giving you control over who you see and hear from online. Inside Mute and Block, select Muted Accounts. You'll see a list of every account you've muted, maybe creators, friends, or people whose posts you wanted a break from. Scroll through the list to find the account you want to unmute. When you locate it, tap on the muted icon next to their name. It will instantly change back, confirming the account is now unmuted. From that moment on, you'll start seeing their posts and notifications again, just like before. Keep in mind, you can always mute or unmute people anytime you want, so your feed is completely in your control. That's it. You've just learned how to unmute an account on X. It's fast, easy, and gives you full flexibility to manage your social experience. If this helped you, be sure to check out more quick guides like this one so you can make the most out of your X account. Thanks for watching.